Yeah. You got Taboo Money Man up in this thing, man. You got my Ollie nigga in this man. Uso.
What's up?
Okay. Let me tell you how we doing this. Alright. Where I'm from, man, we dangerous. Y'all already don't know, boy, it get dangerous. It get real. Got something fat. If you talking mess, I'll make you do the Michael Jackson. You messing with me, I make you do the hammer. Cause you already know I staying with my hammer. I got the Usolama. If they can't plan me, they don't want no promise. I swear to God, man, I put that on my mama. If you mess with me, I'ma bring the drama. I'ma come down the street with a gang of them. A gang of them, come with a whole team of them. Football field, boy, we tearing up your shit. We gonna decorate your house with this crazy shit. Y'all niggas over there on some hating shit. Me and Uso guarantee you, we gonna kill this shit. Yeah, we gonna crazy, boy. Yeah, you know that we making noise. Me and Uso, riding with the hammer. Everybody don't like it, cause we always in the field. We go crazy, boy. We in the field, boy. And you know I play with Glock toys. My name is Taboo, you know I'm making noise.
I ain't no driven. I ain't no driven. You feel me? All the niggas out there. Niggas in the homie go crazy. I ain't no driven. You feel me? I ain't no driven. All the niggas out there feel this shit, nigga. I ain't no driven. But all my niggas in the homies in the cut. I got the big good new shit. All my fucking niggas, nigga. Me and my niggas, that boy, my nigga, we smoke. But the quick shit, niggas gonna shit like yeah. Nigga, I'm trying to fuck with the niggas. All the niggas in the hood, I know homies in the hood. We smoke cookie niggas every day. Nigga, what the fuck with you, man? I ain't tripping for the bitch. You feel me? I got a hella bitch, but I don't wanna fit. Nigga, I don't wanna fuck around, bitch. Fuck game. I don't wanna fuck around. You know this is fucking game is real. Nigga, 3 minutes, nigga, you know if I go hard, if I go for real, my nigga, in the end, nigga, I go hard. Nigga, for real, I ain't fuck around with the young baby, young nigga. Fuck a nigga, OG, nigga, OG is gonna give you your life. Nigga, stay the fuck away from the trouble, all the motherfuckers in the left. You feel me? I ain't going no shit. I ain't tripping, nigga. I got the money. My nigga, Taboo, there's a reason we got the nigga. Taboo, the money, get the dough low. Nigga, put the money, all the bitches in the hood. You see the shit, nigga. Tryna go never like this with another bitch. Gonna get you, nigga. What's up?
Yeah.
I know that nigga, no dribbling.
Yeah.
I ain't no dribbling.
Yeah.
No dribbling. No dribbling.
I don't talk much, boy. I keep your stitch lips. Y'all out there on some snitch shit. Paperwork. That's when I don't mess with you. I don't care, boy. I switch you just like a swisher. Guarantee my throw the gun so they ain't gonna miss you. Guarantee I'm really not gonna miss you. Cause I really don't mess with you. I mess with them lions and them bears. I mess with people that really don't care. Attitudes, man, real short, man. The fuse, it goes off like a rocket. Guarantee you run up on, guarantee to socket. Guarantee to drop you. I run around, boy, and you know I get that yapper. Chop suey, guarantee it got the titties down to it. You don't want it. I'll bring the pain like Major Pain. And you know the Taboo, always in the game. That's why I'm switching lanes. Cause I'm out here trying to touch a bag, a bigger bag this year. We gonna do it better. We gonna be in the field. We gonna get the cheddar. It's football time. It's action time. I'm always on my grind.
I ain't no tripping. I ain't no dribbling. Homies in the nigga go. The motherfucker ass and go.